In this video, I will show you how to type TH in Microsoft Word document. So there are some methods you can use easily, you can type easily. Like just enter your number and type TH. Now select TH and in this home tab, in font section, you will see this superscript. So select it. We can type this TH superscript. So this is the first method. Second one, insert equation script and select here this one superscript. In first box type number, second box type TH. Also guys, you can change the size, color, and also guys, another method, you can type TH like type number 7, TH. Now in Windows, Control Shift equal sign and another method, type 7. Now press Control Shift and equal sign, then type TH. So these are the three methods guys, you can type TH in Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.